Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading pins on Pinterest after the latest update, you're not alone. Many users have encountered this issue, but don't worry. There are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive right in. First, close your browser and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of the browser can clear up minor glitches that may be causing download issues. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. From the notifications area on your PC, click on the network icon to ensure you're connected to a stable network. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent downloads from completing. If your connection seems fine, the next step is to refresh the Pinterest web page. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can help reload any content that may not have loaded correctly initially. Sometimes, restarting your device can also help. To do this, press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. This can clear out temporary files and reset any processes that may be causing issues. Another effective method is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Start by clicking on the three dots at the top right of your browser window. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data. This will remove any outdated files that might be interfering with your downloads. By following these steps, closing and reopening your browser, checking your internet connection, refreshing the page, restarting your device, and clearing cache and cookies, you should be able to fix the issue with Pinterest not downloading pins on your PC. If you continue to experience problems after trying these solutions, consider reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance. Thank you for watching.